Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to host an experience on the Airbnb app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Airbnb app, then go to your profile section, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, right below the account settings menu, you will see your hosting menu. And if you did not activate the hosting option, you just have you will have start hosting panel, and if you tap on it, it's going to create for you your own hosting tab. Now, when you have your hosting tab, you just have to tap on switch to hosting, and it's going to change up the whole application, and you will see this different menu here. And now you have to go to the bottom of the screen, where you can choose the manage experiences, and this way you can switch to the experiences tab, where you can list your experiences on Airbnb. Now the top on the screen is going to be experiences. Just tap on it, and here you can create new experiences to list on Airbnb. Just tap on the plus icon on the top of the screen, and here you have to provide all the informations regarding your experience. The first one is going to be if the experience is in person or in online. You just have to choose one. Then you have to choose the city, add the language, and describe your whole experiences that you would like to list on Airbnb. And when you are done, you just publish it and wait for the bookings and let the money flow in. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.